so people can have their outdoor plans. I don't think we'll see many across the area. It's quiet this evening, like we're seeing right now in Anakeesta. A lot of people kind of staying in the shaded parts, which is a good idea. Others that aren't have short sleeves and shorts on. That's an even better idea. Temperatures still in the 90s, 93 in Gatlinburg, a little better. Newport down to 89, same thing in Jonesville, Virginia, and we've got 87 in Jamestown, but Maryville still checking in at 94 degrees, and there's a lot of that tropical feel across the area. Get used to that as we go through at least Friday across the region. Tonight, temperatures will not fall off that much. Earlier in the week, on Monday morning, we had temperatures in the 50s and 60s. That's not the case tonight. 70s for most areas, in fact mid 70s down through the Central Valley. That's pretty impressive for this time of year. Temperatures tomorrow, probably the warmest we've seen so far this summer, and 97, by the way, is the record high for the 4th of July. We'll be close to that at 95. The biggest impact, though, it's going to be the humidity, what it feels like. So we're talking triple-digit heat index values for many, especially between the hours of about 2 and 5 p.m. But our next weather maker is a little bit of a pattern change. It's been dry so far this week, but at least some spotty storm chances tomorrow. Level 1 out of 5 risk for some of those storms could be severe, especially north of Knoxville. Damaging wind gusts would be the main impact from any storms that do develop, but I don't think we'll see a lot the way it's looking. Quiet start in the morning. This is 7 a.m. on 6 timeline. As we get towards midday, 1 or 2 try to develop, and we'll see that trend into mid-afternoon as well. You see, there's not a lot, so don't cancel outdoor plans, but just be aware, especially if you're out on a body of water like a lake or a river. As we head into the evening, a few more storms try to develop from middle Tennessee and push eastward, but these are basically driven by the sun. So as the sun angle gets lower and begins to set, storm chances will dwindle, which will be great for fireworks displays. Most are after about 9:30 anyway, and by then I think the majority of the region will be on the dry side. Now Friday, still very humid. We've got triple-digit heat index values once again for Friday, but a better opportunity of scattered storms as a cold front will push into the area. Similar timing where the morning is dry. This is 7 a.m., but by midday we're already seeing a few scattered storms fire up across the area, and those will push eastward into the afternoon and early evening. A couple of these could pack a bit of a punch as well, regardless if one of these pops up over your area. Watch for lightning, of course, but locally heavy rainfall. You can see a lot of rain in a short amount of time. There's a lot of moisture in these storms as they're going through, but these also will slowly fizzle as we get a little closer to sunset. Now, the cold front will push through pretty early on Saturday, and the good news is the majority of the weekend, at least Saturday, Sunday, looks fairly dry and maybe a little less humid. We'll go from mid-70s the next couple of nights to upper 60s to low. I'm grasping at straws here, but it's a little better. We'll say that. That front doesn't get far. It comes back early next week, meaning we'll see additional storm chances Tuesday, Wednesday, which we need. We need some rain across the area.
That's for sure. All right, Ken, thank you.